Hello and welcome back to Get Great at Maths. I'm here to help you pass your maths exam, so hit that like and subscribe button. We're going to look at keywords, key formulas and how to gain top marks. So let's get ready to get great at maths.
This question is on types of numbers. Here are 4 numbers: 40, 60, 64 and 100. Use each number once to complete these statements. Is a square number? Is a cube number? Is a common multiple of 4 and 5? Is a common factor of 80 and 120? The marks you can gain for this question are 2. Key facts. In order to answer this question, we must learn and remember our key facts. Square number. Square number is a number multiplied by itself. For example, 1 squared is 1 times 1, that equals 1. A cube number is multiplied by itself 3 times. Here. For example, 1 times 1 times 1 equals 1. A multiple is in the times table of that number. Multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6 and 8 and so on. Factors are numbers that go into another number. For example, factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. A common is a number that satisfies both numbers given. Now have a go at this question, and when you're ready, pause the video and unpause it when you finish answering the question. Hello again. Right, now to answer our question. Our first statement is a square number. Now, as we can know from here, a square number is multiplied by itself twice. So our square numbers are 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16, 5 squared is 25, 6 squared is 36, 7 squared is 49, 8 squared is 64, that's one of our numbers, 9 squared is 81, and 10 squared is 100. Now, there's 2 numbers that could be a square number, so you can just simply put 64 or 100. To move on to the next question, then we can work out whether 64 is in this box or this box, and whether 100 is in this box or this box. So we can look at our cube numbers. From here, a cube number is multiplied by itself 3 times. So cube number 1 is 1 cubed is 1, 2 cubed is 8, 3 cubed is 27, 4 cubed is 64, that's one of our numbers, and 5 cubed is 125. In the exam, you'll be expected to learn up to 5 cubes. So now we can see that 64 has to go in here because it is a cube number. So 100, therefore, must also go in there. 64. And remember to cross out your answer after you finish doing it. Then we won't get confused whether we've done that number or you haven't. Now we move on to is a common multiple of 4 and 5. To do this, we can look at our 40 and 60 as they are our remaining numbers. Remember, 5, that's one of our numbers here, times 8 is 40. So 40 could possibly be 1. But also 4 times 10 is 40. And 5 times 12 is 60. And 4 times 15 is 60. Therefore, they can both be this question. Same as these 2 questions here. So, now we have to work out is a common factor of 80 and 120 in order to work out is a common multiple of 4 and 5. So, we know that 40 can go into 80, that goes into it twice, and we also know that 40 can go into 120, 60 can also go into 120, but 60 cannot go into 80. Therefore, that means 60 would go is a common multiple of 4 and 5, and 40 would be a common factor for 80 and 120. Cross them out, remember. Remember to give your answer a big tick once you finish the answer and corrected it.
I would like to thank my daughter for helping make this video. She has been extremely good in showing exactly where the answers are coming from, and I would like to say well done. She has done an amazing job for her first video, so thank you very much. Finishing off this question was worth up to 2 marks. The answers here at the top are what you would get for 2 full marks. Down beneath you would get 1 mark for getting anything like one of these 2 versions. Again, thank you very much for your support with these videos. Thank you very much for my daughter for helping make this video. You've done an amazing job. Remember, please share, like and subscribe so we can all get great at maths. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Please follow Get Great at Maths on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook and X. What do you want to see next on Get Great at Maths? Please comment below. See you next time.